me?
Yeah, I'll video you.
We'll video each other?
Yeah.
It's going to be a very interesting channel. Here we are at the Plage du Loc. The beach of the lake, which is actually behind us. There's a lake that you cannot see.
Yes, ang dami.
There we are.
Yes,
Go a bit to the right, but there's less people.
malamig yung hangin.
So it's nice.
That is, ayan, mag-swimming kami. Actually, yan is Atlantic Ocean. Yan. Oh, ang ocean na yan. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Atlantic Ocean. So, malamig. So, try natin mamaya. Malamig. Tapos,
Malamig kasi nasa northwest of France.
northwest of France tayo. So, masarap yung araw. Plus, malamig yung tubig. Ang
Tingnan
hangin.
natin kung mas malamig ka sa south of France. Kasi south of France is not the ocean. It's Mediterranean Sea.
Okay.
Baka mas mainit ito.
Ah, really? Okay.
Oo, pwede.
Ang alam ko, Atlantic malamig eh.
No, depende sa kung saan na Atlantic.
Ah, okay. Okay ko lang.
Malaki siya.
Wala talaga. Manol talaga. O, sige na. Mag-swimming tayo. Ay, tara na. Magubad na tayo. Naked. Charot. O, sige na. Barin mo na. Dapat mo. Pakita mo yung balahibo mong dibdib. Barin mo na. Wala. Oh.
Boom, boom.
Wow, panis. Laki ng tiyan. Ay, bye. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa Batangas. Charot. Just open na lang, love. I'll cover it with the other, here. Here, there's